Mathematics. Not the most romantic of words. Many people think of it as being on the opposite end of the spectrum from subjects like art and creativity. But mathematics isn't just calculations and numbers on a chalkboard. It's all around us. It's in the fabric of our clothes, in the pixels on our phones, in the construction of our homes, and in the patterns of our world. Patterns we recognize even if we don't necessarily realize that we do. Bees, for example, use a repeated pattern of hexagons to store their honey because, well, mathematically it's the most efficient. A hexagon is the shape that best fills a plane with equal size units and leaves no wasted space. Maths and patterns are everywhere, and often they're much more beautiful than we give them credit for. Today, I'm making a dish inspired by the hexagonal pattern of honeycomb.